What's going on, guys? It's Mike Seuss, and today I'm going to show you guys how to wash your Tesla at home the right way, step by step, using the right products and techniques to clean and protect your Tesla or any other car for years to come. You ready, guys? Let's go. Alright, so you guys already spent a pretty penny on your Tesla, and I'm sure you guys want to protect your investment for years to come. Keeping your Tesla in good shape is definitely one of those things that you want to do to make sure it holds its value over time. Taking your Tesla to a car wash regularly can lead to scratches and damage your paint from the brushes, the overused water, and the type of towels you use to clean and dry your Tesla. So washing your Tesla at home is a much better option if you have the time and the patience. So today I'm going to take you step by step on how to properly wash, dry, and protect your Tesla. I just want to make a quick disclaimer that I am not a professional detailer, and this is just my advice on what I suggest from my own experience and results. With that out of the way, let's get started. Alright guys, let's talk about the products. The first thing you need is your exterior cleaning products. This should consist of your car wash solution, wheel and tire cleaner, glass cleaner, and tire shine. Next, you guys need your interior cleaning products, like an interior cleaning product that's safe for interiors with leather, vinyl, and plastic, and an interior protection product safe for leather, vinyl, and plastics as well. Next, you're going to need your cleaning tools. You'll need a washing towel, a mitt, a hard scrub brush for tire cleaning, and a soft scrub brush for wheel cleaning. You guys will need drying towels as well as microfiber towels. And lastly, the most important tool you'll need is a wash bucket with a grit guard to keep your water clean from dirt and debris. To get the job done, these are all the items you'll need. Luckily, to save you guys time and money, the guys over at Adams have put together a car wash kit that includes all of the items I mentioned. This kit features the same products I use to wash my Tesla and is what I'll be using in today's video. If you guys are interested, you can get this kit via the link in the description below or at accessoriesfortesla.com. Now, if you guys want to get a little bit more fancy with your car wash, I would suggest using a power washer with a foam cannon as well. This will allow the car's wash solution to be turned into a thick foam, which can be laid on your car to soak in, loosen the dirt and debris much easier. I'll be using the foam cannon in this video. The Adams kit that I mentioned comes with a foam cannon included, but you'll need to have a pressure washer as well to use it. If interested, I've linked the same electric pressure washer that I'll be using in this video in the description as well below. Alright, so let's get started. You might be wondering why there are two cars behind me. That's because my car wash method can be used on all cars. So I'll be washing both my Tesla and my Porsche together. You guys ready? Let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is set up our car wash bucket by adding the car wash solution, the grit guard, and the water. Once you have your bucket full, you can go ahead and set it to the side. Next, we're going to spray down the Tesla with the water to rinse off any loose dirt. After that, we will fill our foam cannon with water and a small amount of the Adams car wash solution. Then hook up our power washer and lather the Tesla in a thick foam, letting it sit until most of it has dripped off the car. After the first pass, we'll go ahead and spray down the car once more and repeat the foam and the rinse process once more as well. Now we'll grab our wash bucket and wash towel or mitt and begin to wash the Tesla, wiping down the car in straight lines to prevent swirl marks. After every few wipes, you're going to clean your wash towel by pushing it against the grit guard in the wash bucket. At the same time you're washing the car, it's a good time to use your wheel and tire brushes to clean your wheels and tires as well. Keep repeating the wash and the clean process until you wash the entire car. Once finished, we'll go ahead and spray down the car one last time before drying. Now, when it comes to drying the car, for virtually no scratches, I like to dry the car using a shop vac or a leaf blower. Since there's no contact, you're eliminating any chance of scratches or swirl marks building up on your paint over time. If you guys don't have a shop vac or a leaf blower, you can use a microfiber drying cloth in straight lines, which will also be great at reducing swirl marks. I've added a link in the description to the shop vac I'm using right here. It's a great product because it can be used as a vacuum or as an air blower, just in case you want to grab that as well. Once the exterior of the car is clean and dry, we can apply our tire shine to the tires. Alright guys, now let's move on to the interior. This one is simple. First, we'll start with vacuuming our floor mats and seats. Then we'll go ahead and use our interior cleaner and microfiber cloth to clean the entire interior, including the dash, center console, seats, steering wheel, and the doors. After that, you can use the glass cleaner to clean your windshield, windows, and mirrors with a separate microfiber cloth. After your interior is all clean, you want to give it an extra layer of protection using the CS3 Shine and Protector, using a new microfiber cloth, applying it to the same areas you applied the interior cleaner. Next, we'll throw in this really cool air freshener by a company called Tamai. It's gonna make your car smell really good, and it's for your Model 3 or Model Y. I'll have that one linked in the description as well. Now guys, after everything is done, there is just one thing I suggest you do if you want to keep your Tesla or any other car looking great forever, by reducing wear and making it even easier to wash your car in the future. And that would be by ceramic coating your car. For a quick rundown, ceramic coating is the process of applying a chemical polymer solution to the exterior of your vehicle to protect it from external paint damage. This will protect your Tesla against water stains, road grime, bird droppings, and other substances from reaching or harming your paint. Not only that, but it also protects against swirl marks and gives your car that candy-like glossy finish. The cool thing is that this coating can last up to 2 to 5 years, which means you'll need to do it once every 2 to 5 years, and that's it. So guys, with that said, Adams also makes a great ceramic coating product, which I'll also link in the description below. Since I already have my Tesla ceramic coated, I'm unable to show you the application process, but I did make a dedicated video, which you guys can find here.
What I want, I'll keep dreaming face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Alright guys, so that wraps this one up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned how to keep your Tesla or any other car looking great and holding its value for years to come. Remember, you can find all the products used in this video in the description below or at accessoriesfortesla.com, where you can find hundreds of other great Tesla accessories. Until next time guys, peace out.